Hey watchers, Chef Tom here. It's been a while since I did a video, and the last video I did, I got to showcase some of my students. But today, I still want to put out a great video, but as you guys know from my surgery, I'm walking with a cane. I had surgery on my foot and I'm still recovering. It's kind of hard to stand a lot of times, but I still don't want to stop making a great video. So what I've done is I brought in a special guest host to host this program today. I brought in my beautiful wife Nora, and she's gonna be our special guest, and she's gonna make what she does best, cupcakes, because great cooking doesn't begin in a professional kitchen. You wanna know where it begins? Great cooking begins right here at home. I'm out here in front of the house, and this is where the cooking is gonna happen today. Nora's gonna make some cupcakes and it's gonna be great, but the one thing she really wants to show you is that you can use a box cake mix. You can use some ready-made frosting. You know what? Baking is intimidating. Some people are scared about it, but you can use a couple of ready-made products and you can still make something creative that's amazing, that's gonna liven up your guests, and they're gonna say, oh, great job, this is absolutely wonderful. You can do it, and she's gonna show you how. I hope you guys are in for a great time. So, what? Where's my hat? So fasten your seatbelt, guys. It's, what the heck? What the hell's going on? So fasten your seatbelt, guys, because it's
time to watch us bake.
Hey, that's my line. I see how it is. You're finally using the powers that your mother gave you for the forces of evil. And what are you laughing about, Henny? You think this is funny? Yeah, it kind of is. Now, Henny, be a good girl. Quit playing around with Mom and hit my music. You can make cupcakes as soon as you do that. Kids.
I'm Tom Dickinson.
All right.
As a young boy, I was diagnosed on the autism spectrum disorder and told that I would not accomplish a lot. But I never let that stop me because I used two words: watch me. I'm a professional chef. I'm also a fully credentialed school teacher. And I'm a two-time cookbook author. So join me as we meet some really interesting people, cook some amazing food, and prove that just because you have a diagnosis doesn't mean you can't accomplish great things. So what are you guys waiting for?
So
It's time to watch me cook.
That we made by grand. Hey watchers, welcome to Watch Me Cook. I'm Chef Tom Dickinson. If you're a first timer here, why don't you go down to the bottom right hand corner, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video and support what we're doing here. Now guys, I told you before, I've had surgery. I'm currently walking with a cane and with a scooter. I'm working on recovering, but I'm not quite 100% yet. In fact, I gotta walk with this cane in order to stand up right now, to be able to stand up for a long period of time. So you know what? I've told you before, I've got a guest person today. We're going to talk about cupcakes today. Cupcakes are something that is a wonderful, wonderful thing to so many people, especially to my wonderful wife, Nora. Some people think, oh, cupcakes, it's a nice little dessert to have at parties. But no, to Nora, cupcakes are something that she enjoys and she loves and has used to reach out to bless small children at the group she volunteers at, the Levitt. She has blessed these kids with all this wonderful stuff that she does, and you know what? It's absolutely amazing. So let's take a little time right now and let's talk about, and let me show you some clips from a previous episode called Watch Me Bake, and you can see some clips of my beautiful wife, the cupcake queen herself, my gorgeous bride Nora. Let's go take a look.
As I have bragged many times, Nora loves to make cupcakes for people, and she's very, very good at it. She's super talented, and she just loves what she does. As you can see right here, she's decorating her cupcakes and making watermelon cupcakes in this opportunity for one of the functions at her church. She loves it and always loves to take samples over to our pastor's sons. As you can see, the detail that my wife takes making these cupcakes is great. She's taking a toothpick here, she's creating those nice streaks, she's making a very intricate design. And as always, my wife, when she makes cupcakes, she never ever forgets to garnish. How cool is that? Beautiful, just like her.
Didn't I tell you she was something? Didn't I tell you that she was amazing? She is a wonderful, wonderful person, and I love her dearly. And the greatest joy of my life was getting to ask her to be my wife. My wife has a generous heart, and she has a great heart. So you know what? Let's go to Nora right now as she works on making these beautiful lemon blueberry cheesecake cupcakes, and shows everybody that you can use a box cake mix and you can use all this great stuff that's ready made, and you can still be super creative and make a wonderful creative dessert. So you know what, babe, take it away.
Hi, I'm Nora, also known as Mrs. Chef. This is Henrietta, also known as Henny. And today we're going to make lemon cupcakes with blueberry cream cheese frosting.
The first thing that Nora does is separates her egg whites from her egg yolks. Once she has the egg yolks separated and in the bowl, then she starts whipping them to soft peaks. After she's done whipping them, she adds the egg yolks slowly back into with the egg whites and starts whisking them thoroughly. After that, Nora's going to add a half a cup of oil, followed by a half a cup of water that she's going to be pouring right now. And after that, Henny's going to step in and she's going to help pour the cake mix into the bowl. Good job, Henny.
Good job, Henny.
Once Nora and Henny get all of the cupcake mix into the bowl, they start whisking it thoroughly to make sure they get all the lumps out so they have a nice, smooth batter. What happens is Nora's going to keep stirring, she's going to keep stirring, and she's going to work on it with Henny observing, of course, and she's going to make sure it's nice and smooth. Now, it's time to pour the cupcakes. Let's get it done. One by one, Nora starts lining the pan with the cupcake papers, and she's getting ready to make sure that every single one gets a liner so she can start baking her first batch of cupcakes. Once every one of them is full, she'll start pouring the cupcake batter in them like she is right now. One by one, she's going to fill them, and she's going to make sure that they're nice and even, and that everyone will bake and get done at the same time.
CC retired.
As you can see, her cupcake papers are almost full, and now you know what time it is. It's time to cook.
And next we're going to put the cupcakes into a 350-degree oven for about 21 minutes. And now that the cupcakes are done, we're going to let them cool down while we make some blueberry cream cheese frosting.
Now it's time to make the frosting. Nora takes her cream cheese frosting and mixes it with a blueberry emulsion to create the color that she wants to start decorating her cupcakes.
Now that the cupcakes have cooled and we put them in the shape that we want them to be in, Henny and I are going to frost and decorate the cupcakes with a little help from my mom.
Nora has already laid out her design, and now she's ready to go, putting the final cupcakes in place. The first thing she does is she adds on her frosting because she wants to get a nice base for her cupcake design. As you can see, it does look like the color of blueberries a little bit, which is exactly what she wanted. Next, she and her mom start applying sprinkles all over the cupcake to make sure that everything's okay. More sprinkles are added on, and they decorate it, and they use lots of different colors to make it absolutely beautiful. Now Nora starts adding on the blue border around her cupcake cake, and the finishing touches are done, and she makes sure it looks nice and beautiful. And from the look on Henrietta's face, I say she approves, and she's very proud of participating in this dessert. What a great day.
Wow. Wasn't that amazing? Look at what she did. She did a great job, and she created something beautiful for a family gathering that we had. and she did it with love, and she did it with a lot of really great quality. And it's special moments like that that make me glad that I married the woman I love. And you know who's special? You know who's important? You are. Yeah, I'm talking to you. You are an amazing person. You have wonderful qualities, and you are destined to do amazing things. So when you have people in this world who tell you that you can't do stuff, you look at them and you say, watch me. When they say you can't get out on your own, you say, watch me. You can't pass this class, you say, watch me. Watch me grow, watch me excel, and watch me prove you wrong. And watch me empower myself to do great things. Remember, just because you have a diagnosis, just because you have a certain history, doesn't mean you can't accomplish great things. I thank you for joining my wife and watching her bake today. And you know what? Get out of here. You go be awesome. You go keep being you. And we'll see you next time. See ya.